No. No, me now wait long to start. 109 or 10 on over here. That's fine. That's enough. Comrades, it has come to my attention that Mark Jefferson Golding, me start over because it's delayed. Me start over. Good evening, comrades, good night, and welcome. Now, it has come to my attention that Mark Jefferson Golding said that when the PNP formed government, under his government, he will implement a student loan debt plan, debt relief. So everybody who take out a student loan under Mark Golding PNP administration, once you stay in the country and work, for every year that you work under Mark Golding PNP, you will get a deduction from your debt. So every 1 year you work, 1 year deduction. 2 years you work, 2 year deduction. Okay? You want me to repeat that, comrade? Let me repeat that and take my little time and say it. It has come to my attention, comrades, that Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in the country, said that when the PNP formed the next government, and in his administration, everybody who take out a student loan will get a debt relief if them stay in the country and work. So if you're working in the country, you might go take subtract from your debt. Now, Mark Jefferson Golding, I have a couple of questions for you. How much will this policy cost? Because everybody know when you start write off debt, that are going to deplete the money when at the student loan. So the other children coming up, how will they benefit from the student loan? Imakiji, so tell us, how will you implement this policy? 1, how much will this policy cost? Next thing, Marky British, how will you pay for this? Are you planning to tax the country? Tax we the people of Jamaica? Which government policy that is now in place you plan to remove? Are you going to take money from education? Are you going to take money from health? Are you going to take money from security? Where the money ever come from to fund this policy, Mark Golding? Me want to know, Mark Golding, because I keep saying that the People's National Party have no plan for us, the people of Jamaica. And because me I say it, the comrade them a text me and I tell me Mark Golding plan. So me have follow-up questions for you, the PNP, and for Mark Jefferson Golding. How will you implement this policy, Mark Golding? Where will the money come from? And when you deplete the student loan bureau, because remember, you know, if everybody that takes out student loan will not require to pay back them loan as long as them are working in Jamaica, what happened to the rest of children coming up? Now, when we hear this idea from Mark Golding, you know, guys, it reminds me of what Michael Manley did in the 1980s. You remember what Michael Manley did in the 1980s? You remember in the 1980s when Michael Manley come and said free education? That policy only lasts for 1 year and it depletes every single dollar in the NIR. They put the country in so much debt in the 1970s when it come with the free education. That is the very same thing what Mark Golding wants to do again. Thank you, Andrew. That's the very same policy Mark Golding is coming with now, saying that whoever takes a loan will not be required to pay back them loan as long as them are work for the government. As long as them are work for the government. So let me ask Mark Golding a question now. How will the student loan generate cash? Because if nobody is not paying back no loan, where the money going to come from for the other rest of children them who want to get help from the student loan? Mark Golding, where will the money come from? PNP and the Mark Jefferson Golding have no plan. If this is your plan, Jefferson, you have to wheel and come again. Tap up the screen, guys, and get me to 10K. If this is your plan, Mark Jefferson Golding, to take all the money in a student loan and people stop pay. If you say people must stop pay back for their loan, just like the policy we come with 2 years ago when you tell Andrew Holness to stop pay down the debt and give PNP people more money for buy food. This is the same policy you come with again. Eh? How much will this policy cost? Policy cost us the taxpayer. How much? This sound like another crash program, Mark Bolin. This sound like another Jeep program. Imakiji. I mean, it sounds good on paper, don't get me wrong, because the government have to find a way to keep the people, the workers here, the teachers, the nurses, the doctors. We have to find a way to retain them. But this is not the answer, Mark Golding. This is not the answer. Why is it every time the PNP want to win an election, them always are come with free, and give away? Why is it every time the People's National Party want to come in government, them always come with giveaway and free this and free that and hand out this and hand out that? Why PNP always a try to share up the spoils and then not generate no cash? How is it that Jefferson is coming to tell us, the people of Jamaica, that when you take out a student loan under PNP, you will not be required to pay back for the loan as long as you stay and work in the country? So who is gonna, that means, so based on Mark Golding policy, the student loan bureau will crash? Based on Mark Golding's policy, the student loan bureau will not serve for 10 years. Because there will be no one paying back money to the student loan. But all Mark Golding want is to win the election. None of them policies, they're not really serious. You need to come and tell us, the people of Jamaica, how are you planning to fund this policy? Where will the money come from? Are you planning to tax us, the Jamaican people? Are you planning to take away money from health sector? Are you planning to take away money from security? Where will the money come from to run this run with it program we are planning to come with? Imaki British? First you say you are going to get teacher to teach parents after school. Now you come and say you are going to pay a teacher to stay here. You are going to bribe teacher to stay here and not go overseas. How you going to compete with the mighty US dollar, Marky British? How will Jamaica compete with the mighty US dollar? Because as it is now, we, the people of Jamaica, can never pay enough tax to keep the teachers and the nurses here. Because our money cannot compete with the US dollar or with the British pound. So the teachers them are always go about their business, and it's okay. Because the more them go overseas go work, and the more money they send back in the country, that's fine. But you are coming to us, Mark Golding, with no plan, no policy. Imakiji? First Peter Bunting say, he might go stop by boat and ship, and he might go lock down the maritime sector, and he might go pay fisherman for 5 crowns. You hear that one day? Guys, let me ring the bell. Share the live, guys. Tap up the screen. Guys, did you hear when such man Bunting say, when the PNP farm government, they might go stop by ship, and they might go stop by they might go lock down the maritime section of the JCF and the JDF, and they might go pay the fisherman them for catch the people them who are bring the gun them in the country. Did you hear that one day? Those are the gimmickry. Those are the nonsense and the foolishness that the PNP is coming to us, the Jamaican people, with. When they say time come, and you ask them time come for what, those are the things that they tell us. Peter Bunting come with his fisherman policy, and now Mark Golding is coming to tell us that he's going to write off all the student loan debt. Where will that money come from, Marky G? Where will that money come from? Tell us. Tell us. You need to do a press conference. Do a press conference and tell the people of Jamaica, when you form government, where you get the money from? Where are you going to get the money from to pay a teacher, for teach parents? And matter of fact, which parents? Because Jamaican parents have to work to send them pick the girl school and to pay them bills and their house. When am I going to have time to go to evening school where you are going to keep? Eh? Oh my God, guys. The Mark Golding led administration. The Mark Jefferson Golding led administration. They don't have no plan. It's just beer gimmicks, propaganda, lies, and mischief. Now, me say the careless someone over TVJ, Diane Jackson Miller. She there on YouTube, I got show the Prime Minister statutory decoration from the IC. So you know no more work over TVJ for the Diane Jackson Miller. You not have no more work for do, and it's beer innuendo and beer assumption. You are come with no facts. No facts. Because at the end of the day, me keep telling the PNP people, if the overseas auditor didn't find anything, the Jamaican TAJ and FIB will not find anything, because there is nothing to find. There is nothing to find. Una choose stone pan black, but not waste no time. Because Andrew Michael Holness, Dr. the Honorable, is clean like Jesus Bridget. I'll not try to look here. If you look on the history of PNP, you know, PNP never win government, come in a government based on their merit. Never. 18 and a half years at a Percival Noel James Pattison, nothing to show. When you ask the PNP people from PJ time, what did PJ do for the 18 and a half years? Some of the things we can say, PJ do this and PJ do that. All you hear them and say, oh, PJ give us highway. Yes, him start the highway, but I know that was not him idea. It was all of the highway policies and everything was started by, it was implemented by the PNP, but Edward Siaga have everything on paper. History is there. We don't go check the archive, don't Gleaner. Edward Siaga have everything on paper, the highway, everything. When you ask the PNP again, what did PJ do? Oh, him give the PAD program. No, he did not. No, he did not. All him do, I change the food stamp program to the PAD program. That is it. Based on history, the People's National Party never, ever, ever, ever campaign and policy. Now here comes Mark Jefferson Golding, the highest paid politician in Jamaica, who have him assets hidden away over BVI. And when Mark Golding go bring home his assets, guys, comrades, look, come here. When Mark Golding go bring home his assets in the country, when Mark Golding go open up in trust fund and make we the people of Jamaica see how he making money, when? Because every day me soon I get up and I run up and down like chicken without head. I talk about how Andrew Holness have 28 account. How much Marky G have? How much account Marky British have, guys? Which bright PNP people can't come tell me that, because you don't know, you know? You don't know. You guys don't know. Because Mark Golding asset hide from Uno. Mark Golding not trust Uno. Mark Golding not rate Uno. Mark Golding not business with Uno. That is the reason why Mark Golding hiding money tucked away in a foreign trust. At least Andrew will let's bring one of him assets so you can open it up and see. Where is Mark Golding asset? According to Zara Burton, not even the house. Not even the common house. Where Mark Jefferson Golding live in. Not in a name. I wonder if you not hear me, comrades. Every night me I go come here, me I go remind you say Mark Golding assets is not in the country. And another thing, me realize, no me not realize, me not lie. People are telling me, come I not see it for myself. Say a bunch of no live nowhere, bottom feeder, hungry belly comrade pan TikTok. I put up video about me and I call me name. Listen to me, comrade hungry belly live nowhere. Uno can't muzzle me no. Uno can't muzzle me no. Uno can't get me off a TikTok, you know. I wonder if you don't know. I wonder if you don't know, so no matter how much video you put up about me, now come off a TikTok until I'm ready. Uno waste no time. Uno waste no time. The time you don't take, all the one caution him. All the one fly by day picture night caution who live in a fin dirty car. When a beard from 3 months now. Caution living in car, eating in car, drinking in car, bathing in car. You never hear caution no day in car yet. I like him now. What caution could I say? For all hurt my feelings. And caution would have to, caution no live nowhere. So no matter how much video you make up about me, you don't need to come challenge me on the facts. Send me a request for my TikTok and challenge me on my facts. Oh, no afraid of me so. Oh, no afraid of me so, comrades. Every night I open up my platform and I say, comrades, send me a request. And tell me why Mark Jefferson Golding asset is hidden away in a foreign trust. Send me a request. I don't care, send me no request. Because Mark Golding hide him asset in a foreign trust because he is running away from paying tax in Jamaica. That is why Mark Golding asset in the country. Because he don't want to pay property tax. He don't want to pay business tax. That is why. So when me soon kill up on yourself about Andrew Wellness, at least Andrew Wellness asset is here for you guys to see. And remember the non-integrity commission led by one Seymour Panton, one Kevin Stevens, one Greg Christie. The 3 of them want to turn one barrel and dash way. Because all them are try. They can't bring down Andrew Wellness. All the integrity commission and the PNP are try. If it tear down Andrew Wellness, it now work. Because based on the poll over Blue Dot, 53% of the Jamaican people say Andrew Wellness deserve a 3rd term. Comrade, did you see that poll? Comrades, did you see the Blue Dot poll? 53% of the Jamaican people say that Andrew Michael Wellness deserve a 3rd term. So now waste no time. Now waste no time. 44% of the Jamaican people say they have confidence in the Jamaica Labour Party. 30% say they're not sure. So how much percent left for the PNP? If 40% have confidence and 30% say they're not sure yet, how much percent leave for the PNP? Comrades? Do the maths. PNP now keep. The People's National Party and the Mark Jefferson Golding still not trend. Nothing still not going for Marky British. The 53% of the Jamaican people say them have confidence in the Jamaica Labour Party and that Andrew Michael Holness deserve a third term. So all they run up and down, when PNP run up and down for 3 years, and Mark Golding run up and down for 3 years and I tell me a lie. And Nathan Campbell I beat up in just for 3 years. Time still not come. Ricardo Brooks said time turned back. We have to go back to the drawing board, comrades. We have to go back to the drawing board because time still not come yet. We have to go back to the drawing board because Mark Jefferson Golding will never become the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Because Mark Golding no decorum. He no dignity. He no integrity. He no morals. He's not qualified. First thing he have to do is bring home him assets. Second thing he have to do is start represent the people of Jamaica, and not only the PNP. He's the highest paid politician in Jamaica, and Mark Golding has never represented us. Everywhere he go in a dirty orange shirt. He go on one podcast and he lied to the people of Jamaica. Mark Jefferson Golding told the people that when I started representational politics, I didn't think it was proper for me to still retain my British citizenship. I didn't think it was proper. And when push come to shove, Mark Jefferson Golding is still a British citizen. Mark Jefferson Golding still had a British passport. Mark Jefferson Golding still pledged allegiance to King Charles and William and Duty Camilla. He lied to the people of Jamaica. So the first thing before Mark Golding can even think of becoming Prime Minister of Jamaica, he must break up in Folly Grounds. He not ready yet. He not ready. First thing Marky G have to do, comrade, is bring home him asset in the country. Open up him trust fund to scrutiny. That's the first thing he must do. The next thing Marky British must do, must answer the people of Jamaica. How is it that the house that you are living in is not in your name? Talk to me, comrades. How is it that the house that Marky British is living in is not in his name, and he's coming to tell us that he's a man of integrity? Mark Jefferson Golding, how is it that your asset is in a way in a trust fund from the people of Jamaica? You are not paying tax on that trust. You are not paying tax on the house that you live in, and you want to tell us the Jamaican people, so we must trust you? We can't buy pussy in a bag, Papa. You're not ready to be Prime Minister yet. You're not ready to be Prime Minister. You have to walk the walk and talk the talk. You have to come down to Philly level and bread with us. Remember, the comrades. Remember, Marky British did say when he farm government, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going to run the country. Remember, he said it. Remember, Mark Golding said it, comrades. You don't know what tapanaris mean? Me Google it. You don't know what tapanaris mean, comrades? Remember, Mark Jefferson Golding said when he become the Prime Minister, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going to run the country. Let us talk about what tapanaris mean, because I know none of you come right here, so in the chat, I know tapanaris. None of you know. So let me tell you what tapanaris mean. Because look like you do not listen to no comrade leader. You do not listen to no comrade leader, you know. The comrade leader say when he become Prime Minister, him and a bunch of tapanaris is gonna run the country. Let us look what tapanaris mean. Alright? Tapanaris. Okay. What does tapanaris mean? Tapanaris definition, pronunciation, and example sentence Jamaica Patois. Tapanaris, uptown snobby or wealthy person that does not like to share. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Comrade, did you hear that? Uptown snobby, a wealthy person that does not like to share. That is the definition of Mark Jefferson Golden. Mighty God. Comrades, I wonder if you not hear me. Comrades. Mark Jefferson Golden said when he become government, when the People's National Party form government, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going to run the country. So, in case you don't know what tapanaris mean, me Google it for now. Uptown, snobby, or wealthy person that does not like to share. That is the definition of Mark Jefferson Golden. That is why the people in Craigtown are living a deplorable condition under Mark Jefferson Golden. That is why the people in a jungle still are being outside under Mark Jefferson Golden. That is why the people in Craigtown still are use plastic bag to relieve themselves under Mark Jefferson Golden, because he said when in farm government, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going around the country. Him and a bunch of uptown, snobby, wealthy people that do not like to share. That's what he said. I didn't make this up. That is what Mark Golden said. Now, here we have a Prime Minister, Andrew Michael Holness, that was born in a two-bedroom board house in Spanish. So look on the contrast, guys. Andrew Michael Holness was born in a board house, 2-room, zinc roof, board floor, to a poor man and a farmer father. Andrew go to primary school barefoot. Him doing common entrance and him pass the St. Catherine High. Him go to school days without lunch money. Him have to come home for lunch. Come home, come eat fried dumpling and sugar water. Andrew Holness focus on taking education. He did it the right way. He did it the right way. Him go to school. Him taking him education. Him doing CXC. Him pass him CXC. Him go to college. Him get him degree. Him come in politics. And Andrew Holness has been in politics for over 30 years. The man work for him money. The man invest in money. And build a life for him and his wife and his children. And you have bad mind PNP people who born with gold spoon in their mouth. Mark Golden never got in bed hungry not one night. Mark Golden has never gone to his bed not one night hungry. Mark Golden don't know what it feel like to go to bed hungry. Mark Golden don't know what it feel like to go to school without lunch money. Mark Golden don't know what it feel like to wear one pants for the whole school term. Mark Golden don't know what it feel like to wash down a river. That is why Mark Golden tell us say when he farm government, him and a bunch of tapanaris are going to run the country. Those are the type type of people who Mark Golding associate himself with. Comrade, you don't remember the man when Mark Golding put the chain round his neck where there? You remember the PNP band when Mark Golding put the chain round his neck? You don't never see the man couple months after I beg money per media if he go doing surgery? You don't remember the man there? That is how Mark Golding regard the poor people. Because Mark Golding cannot identify with poor people. Mark Jefferson Golding cannot identify with us poor people. He's out of touch. He can't relate. And Andrew Michael Holness, he come from a poor background. Now, one PNP girl come from me live last night. And you know what the PNP girl said to me? When me ask her, say, why Mark Golding not open up in trust fund? The girl tell me, say, Mark Golding born in a money. So me say, so what? So because he born in a money, we the Jamaican people not have no right to ask him no question as it relates to in trust fund. We the Jamaican people not have no right to tell him, say, bring one in trust fund and open it up to the scrutiny of the Jamaican people. Eh? Look on Donald Trump. Donald Trump was born in money. And when Donald Trump became the prime minister, the president of America, Donald Trump make sure say he set up his family and in Pitney and everybody when he mark with Trump. Everybody when he and Trump did a working at the White House. And every government, every meeting when he meet with every overseas people, he make sure say they meet at Theme Hotel. As so rich people operate. So you are telling us that because Mark Golding rich, we not ask him no question. We will just trust him and say, oh, he's born rich. We could leave him alone. Eh? How fool can we be? How foolish can we be? Eh? So because Mark Golding born rich and born in a money, I'm born with a trust fund. We the Jamaican people don't have no right to ask him nothing about his money. In comrades? We're not joking. We're not joking. If Mark Jefferson Golding wants to become the Prime Minister of Jamaica, he needs to bring back him asset in the country. He needs to open up in trust fund to the scrutiny of the Jamaican people. Show me what you have. Show me how much account you have. He must declare it rich be. Because who remember say Mark Golding say him write the Integrity Act? Who remember that? Comrade, did you remember that Mark Golding said that he was the one who wrote the Integrity Act? That is why there is a loophole in the Integrity Act for the member of parliament to put their money in a trust and then don't have to declare it. Mark Jefferson Golding said him write the Integrity Act. He knew what he was doing. He knew what he was doing, comrades. Him set the loophole. So when me hear the comrade them on them platform, I say, oh, and Holness know the loophole. That's why the Integrity Commission can't find a way to charge him. Mark Golding know it too. Mark Jefferson Golding know the loophole. That's why he say him write the Integrity Act. That is why him not have to declare in trust. I mean, ask you already, from last night, comrade, why would not hold the PNP to the same standard when you hold Andrew Holness and the JLP? Why? Comrades, any bright comrade can send me a request and tell me, who is this person? Let me tell you something. You see, anybody when I have no name and no picture, don't send me no request, because I don't talk to Duppy. Anybody who don't have no name and no picture, do not send me any request. Me not talk. If you're so ashamed of yourself till you can't show your face, you don't need to come on my platform. Only wrongdoers, criminal, and PNP people don't have no name and no picture. The only persons on this platform that don't have any picture and don't have any name is wrongdoer, criminal, and PNP people. Uno will and come again. If you don't want to come engage me in a conversation, make sure you have a picture and make sure you have a name. Me not talk to Duppy. One who hide. Only criminal have name and picture. I'm not because you not PNP. Because you believe in a wrongdoing. So you have to hide on your face. You believe in a wrongdoing. So you have to hide on your face. You have mark goal in PNP people. Who believe in a criminality. Okay, so one person in judge. Good night, Jaja God. Jaja God, your internet now work good. Jaja God, you need a proper internet provider. What you saying now? Oh, Jaja God, you never post me ears tonight. Jaja God, what are you saying? Alright. Jaja God, you not on a proper internet, so you have to go. Only person who don't have a picture and a name are criminals and wrongdoers. They don't have no face because they are PNP troll. Now, I want a bright PNP person to send me a request and tell me why is it that Mark Jefferson Golden money is hidden. Petal. Send me the video with Zara Burton talking about Mark Golden house and I name. Want a bride comrade to send me a request and tell me why Mark Golden just on stop. Jaja God, stop send me requests if you don't have no good internet. This is the last time I had you. Send it to me by messenger. Good night, Jaja God. What you say? Mark Jefferson Golden, the highest paid politician in the country. The man with no plan. The man with no plan. Every day just time come. And when you ask him what is the plan for Jamaican people, oh, Andrew Holness statutory decoration. Oh, Andrew Holness have 28 bank account. Oh, Andrew Holness open account with no money. Oh, Andrew Holness cannot give account for 1.9 million. What are your plans? What are your plans for the country, Mark Golden? What are you going to do for the security of the country? Because the people of Craigtown is calling on you to come down there. The people of Craigtown send call you. You never hear me read the article when night. Mark Golden, Itapanar is done. The people of Craigtown is calling on Mark Golden to come down there because they said the violence are going to turn up because somebody killed the Dan father. And they said Mark Golden must come. Those are the type of people the PNP associate themselves with. Those are the type of people that Mark Jefferson Golden and the PNP want to bring to cause mayhem and crime in our country. When you hear what going on in Mark Golden constituency, when you saw him quiet, when you see him quiet, when you notice how you not keep a press conference, when you notice how you not keep a press conference, I not keep no fake parliament. It's sweet that under the rug. Eh? Wanna notice? that under the rug, you know.